Okay, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. So please, you have to speak on this topic.
Describe a time you were friendly to someone you didn't like. During my childhood, uh, th- there was a boy in our class. His name was Asad. He was very full of himself. He he used to make other feel inferior to himself. Inferior to himself. He was arrogant. He was an arrogant student and rude to other. And 1 month before the examination, final examination, he got sick due to coronavirus, and no one was willing to help him during during the preparation of examination. So in order to score good grade, teacher suggest me to help him in the examination. I i was firstly i was not willing to help him. Then then I share some notes with him, and later he become my good friend. Then I know better about him.
All right, I know better about him. Your topic is describe a time you were friendly, past tense. So you should have focused more on friendliness. Mainly, you are lacking fluency. Like that, and try to use connecting words because connecting words will improve your band score further. As you started, you said he become my friend. It should have been he became my friend. So you should use mainly the past tense because your topic is in the past and you finished it at 1 minute. So you should try to speak more as well, right? Looking at your overall performance, now I will give you bench score 5, but you can improve it. If you add some more, connect your ideas, improve your grammar, focus your fluency, you can improve.